Chapter 5 Prioritization Mastery. The Eisenhower Matrix. Urgent versus important. What is important is seldom urgent, and what is urgent is seldom important. Dwight D. Eisenhower. Not all tasks are created equal. Some feel urgent but don't matter. Others matter deeply but get pushed aside because they are not screaming for attention. The Eisenhower matrix is a time-tested, deceptively simple tool that helps you decide what deserves your energy right now and what can wait, delegate, or be deleted altogether. What is the Eisenhower matrix? The Eisenhower matrix, also called the urgent important matrix, is a four-quadrant decision-making framework. It helps you prioritize tasks by dividing them based on two criteria. Urgency. Does it require immediate attention? Importance. Does it contribute to your long-term goals or values? This creates four distinct categories. Urgent, not urgent, important, not important. Urgent, important, do it first. Urgent, not important, delegate it. Not urgent, important, schedule it. Not urgent, not important, eliminate it. Quadrant 1, do first, urgent plus important. Crisis mode, tasks. These tasks demand immediate action and have significant consequences. Example, project deadline, due today, medical emergency, critical client call, last minute presentation. Action, do it now. These are your top priorities for the day. Quadrant 2, schedule it, not urgent but important. Growth zone, tasks. These are your most valuable activities, the ones that build your future but don't scream for your attention today. Example, strategic planning, learning new skills, exercise and self-care, relationship building, writing a book or blog, preventive maintenance. Active, block time in your calendar, protect these tasks, they are where your real success lies. Quadrant 2 is where leaders are made. Quadrant 3, delegated, urgent plus not important. Distraction zones, tasks. These feels urgent but don't actually require you to do them, often created by other people's priorities. Example, unnecessary meetings, routine emails or reports, requests that can be handled by others, notifications or calls that are not critical. Action, politely delegate or defer. If you must do it, keep it brief. Quadrant 4, eliminate it, not urgent plus not important. Time wasting zone. These tasks provide zero value to your goals. They are often addictive or convenient but completely unproductive. Example, endless social media scrolling, mindless web browsing, gossip or negative talk, binge watching without purpose. Action, cut it, be it ruthless. Your future self will thank you. Visual representation, how we'll make the Eisenhower matrix. So first and foremost, left side you write important and important, and below line you will write urgent, not urgent, important and not important. So which is urgent and important, do it first. Which is urgent but not important, delegate it. Not urgent but important, schedule it, deep work, planning, growth. And which is not urgent, not important, eliminate it, distractions, time. How to use the Eisenhower matrix in daily life. Brain dump, write down all tasks you are considering today or this week. Classify each task, place them into one of the four quadrants. Assign time or actions. Q1, do today. Q2, schedule this week. Q3, hand it off. Q4, let it go. Review your matrix weekly. It's not a one-time trick, it's a mindset shift. Bonus, Eisenhower matrix plus time blocking. Once tasks are categorized, use time blocking from chapter 4 to schedule them. Q1 task is equal to morning blocks when energy is highest. Q2 task is equal to protected deep work time. Q3 task is equal to admin hours are delegated directly. Q4 task is equal to kept out of your calendar completely. Common mistakes to avoid. Mistake: treating everything as urgent. Solution: ask what happens if I do this tomorrow. Mistake: neglecting Q2 important, not urgent. Solution: block time for it weekly. Mistake: not delegating Q3 tasks. Solution: build a team or support system. Mistake: feeling guilty about Q4 tasks. Solution: remember, saying no is equal to saying yes to purpose. Final insight: being busy is not the same as being productive. The Eisenhower matrix helps you separate moment from progress. It transfers your task list into a strategic tool, one that ensures your time reflects your true values and vision. When you master prioritization, you stop living in reaction and start leading your time with purpose. The 80-20 rule, Pareto principle. 80% of the results come from 20% of the efforts. Wilfredo Pareto. Time is not equally distributed and neither are results. That is the core truth behind the 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto principles. Mastering these principles will change how you work, plan, and lead. What is 80-20 rule? The 80-20 rule suggests that in most cases, 20% of your inputs lead to 80% of your outcomes. 20% of your efforts drive 80% of your success. 20% of your clients generate 80% of your revenue. 20% of your tasks deliver 80% of your results. These principles is not always mathematically exact, but the pattern is remarkably consistent across business, productivity, relationship, and even personal goals. Real life example of 80-20 rule scenario: 20% produce 80% of business, 20% of customers, 80% of profit. Work task: 20% of task, 80% of results. Learning: 20% of study topics, 80% of exam questions. Social life: 20% of people, 80% of your joy support. Habits: 20% of habits, 80% of life transformation. Why it matters in time management? When you treat all tasks equally, you dilute your energy. When you identify and focus on the vital 20%, you get more done in less time, reduce burnout, make better decisions, free up time for rest, creativity, or growth. Productivity is not about doing more, it's about doing what matters. How to apply the 80-20 rule to your daily life? Audit your to-do list. Look at everything you are doing. Ask which 20% of these tasks will produce 80% of my progress. Highlight the high leverage tasks. That's where your time should go. Focus on high impact work. Not all work is equal. Prioritize planning over reacting, creating over consuming, strategic over routine, deep work over shallow tasks. Example: if you are building a business, writing that proposal at 20% task is more impactful than spending 2 hours formatting your spreadsheet. 3. Use the rule of goal setting. Instead of chasing 10 goals, find that 2 that will transform everything. Ask, what's the one goal that, if achieved, makes other goals easier? What's one action that can create exponential results? 4. Eliminate or automate the trivial 80%. You don't need to do everything yourself. Free your time by automating repetitive tasks, delegating low impact work, saying no to distractions, letting go for perfectionism in unimportant tasks. The 80-20 plus Eisenhower matrix combo. When you use the 80-20 rule with the Eisenhower matrix, you prioritize important tasks and you focus on the few that create massive impact. This creates a laser focused, workflow where every hour pushes your forward meaningfully. Reflection exercise, find your 20%. Write down the top 10 things you do each week. Circle the two that give you the biggest results. Ask how can I double my time spent on these two activities. This shift alone can double your effectiveness. Final insight, being busy is a form of laziness, lazy thinking, and indiscriminate action. Tim Ferriss. The 80-20 rule is not just about efficiency, it's a mindset. Focus on less so you can achieve more. When you stop scattering your energy, you gain the power to move mountains with far fewer steps. The ABCDE method from Brian Tracy. Every minute spent in planning saves 10 minutes in execution. Brian Tracy. You have 24 hours in a day and a long to-do list, but not every task deserves equal attention. Enter the ABCDE method, a simple yet powerful prioritization technique developed by productivity expert Brian Tracy. It helps you rank your tasks by importance and consequence, so you can work smarter, not just harder. What is the ABCDE method? The ABCDE method is a 5 category rating system that forces you to think before you act. Instead of reacting to whatever comes your way, you assign a value to each task based on how important or irrelevant it is to your goal and responsibilities. Breakdown of the ABCDE method. Letter A, meaning and action you should take. Letter A, must do, serious consequences. Action you should take, do it first, no excuses. B, should do, mild consequences, do it after a task. C, nice to do, no consequences, do only if you have spare time. D, delegate, someone else can do it, assign it to others. E, eliminate, no value at all, remove it completely. A task, top priority, do it now. These are mission critical tasks. Failure to do them leads to serious consequences, missed deadlines, lost clients, health issues, etc. Example, submit tax return, finalize a client proposal, prepare for a high stakes meeting. Rule, never work on a B task if an A task is left undone. B task secondary, do it later. They are important but not urgent. They have mild consequences like temporary delay, slight embarrassment, or minor inconvenience. Example, reply to non-urgent emails, return a call to a colleague, update your LinkedIn profile. Schedule these but don't allow them to take over your day. C task, optional. If time allows, these tasks have no real consequences. They may be enjoyable or feel productive, but they don't move you forward. Example, scroll social media, chatting at the water cooler, organizing files again. Warning, these often discuss themselves as work but are really distractions. D task, delegate, let someone else do it. If someone else can do it 80% as well as you, delegate it, free up your time for higher value A and B tasks. Example, data entry, travel booking, routine reporting, productivity rule, focus on what only you can do. E task, as eliminate, don't do it at all. Some tasks don't belong in your life at all. They are leftovers from habit, guilt, or people pleasing. Be bold, cut them. Example, attending irrelevant meetings, saying yes to every request, rereading emails multiple times. Rule, saying no to the non-essential is saying yes to what matters. How to use the ABCDE method. Make a list. Write down everything you need to do tomorrow or this week. Assign a letter to each task. Label each time A, B, C, D, or E. Add priority within categories. For multiple A tasks, rank them A1, A2, A3, etc. Start with A1 and don't move on until it's done. Focus is everything. If you can knock out your highest priority task early, the rest of your day flows better. Review and update daily. Your priorities will shift. The ABCD method works best when used consistently. Why it works? forces critical thinking, helps break procrastination, builds self-discipline, creates clarity and confidence, aligns time with value-driven action. The key to success is to consistently work on high-value tasks first. ABCD versus Eisenhower matrix versus 80-20 rule. Method, focus, best for. ABCDE. Importance plus consequences. Best for daily task ranking. Eisenhower matrix. Focus, urgency versus important. Best for visual decision making. 80-20 rule. Focus, impact versus effort. Best for strategic planning, eliminating busy work. Final insight, every great achievement begins with a decision to act on your most important task. Brand tracing. The ABCDE method empowers you to stop living by default and start living by design. By ranking your tasks by consequences, you make better choices, and better choices lead to better outcomes. The key is not doing more, but doing what matters most first. Thank you very much for listening to the audiobook.